So when your city's building a new playground, who better to ask about what they need, but the kids are going to use it?
Absolutely, and that's what the City of Hoover is doing today. They held a playground planning party in Bluff Park this afternoon. They said they wanted to get an expert opinion as they take the next steps in renovating the playground.
We've got a variety of different playground equipment displayed on some boards for them to be able to vote on what they would like to see as part of the project, as well as like the color scheme. So they'll come through here, through the pavilion, and we'll engage with them. We'll hear what their comments and feedback are, and then we'll take that into consideration as we move on to the next step.
It's pretty cool. Plans include equipment and accessibility upgrades.